So today I'm going to show you some shortcuts for playback. You might know this one. Spacebar is pause and play. So you always want to make sure that you're selected on the video player itself. But
Today I'm going to show you how to do
see, hitting spacebar does pause and play. Another thing is the up and down arrow will increase and decrease volume.
some advanced browsing. Most of you might know that if you're in Safari or anything else, you can Command T and that'll open a new tab.
Another thing is the M will do mute or unmute.
Or Command N. But
Another thing is you can reduce playback or increase playback by doing shift and period to increase or shift and comma to decrease.
Command W actually closes that window or that tab. You can also do some other stuff like let's say you want to do Command click to open
And then the last thing is shift P for previous video or shift N for next video.
a link in a new tab. So today I'm going to show you
That's it.